Proceed with the next problem. Please turn your book to page 379. So, problem 6. Eternity Company manufactures joint products X and Y, as well as byproduct Z. Cumulative joint cost data for the period show 204,000 pesos, representing 20,000 completed units processed through the refining department at an average unit cost of 10 pesos. Costs are assigned to X and Y by the market value method, which considers further processing cost in subsequent operations. To determine the cost allocation to Z, the market value or the reversal cost method is used. Additional data include quantity processed by product Z, 2,000, product X, 8,000, product Y, 10,000. Sales price per unit by product Z, 6 pesos, product X, 20 pesos, product Y, 25 pesos. Further processing cost per unit by product Z, 2 pesos, product X, 5 pesos, and product Y, 7 pesos. Marketing and administrative expense per unit by product Z, 1 pesos, product X and product Y, none. Operating profit per unit by product Z, 1 pesos, product X and product Y, none. So remember, sabi sa problem, joint cost is amounting to 204,000 pesos. So the required, first, compute the joint cost allocated to X. Then the second, allocate the remaining joint cost to X and Y. So the required, first, compute the joint cost allocated to Z, and second, allocate the remaining joint cost to X and Y. So for the first solution, we have share of the byproducts in the joint cost using reversal cost method. So we have sales, further processing cost, marketing and administrative expense, operating profit to arrive with the share in joint cost. So focus lang po to sa byproduct Z. So sales, paano ito nakuha na 12,000? Quantity process, sabi sa problem, 2,000 units. Sales price per unit is 6 pesos. So, minultiply lang po natin to arrive with the sales na 12,000. So, ito na po siya, 12,000. Next, further processing cost na 4,000. Quantity processed, 2,000. Further processing cost per unit na 2 pesos. So, minultiply lang again, kaya nagkaroon ng further processing cost na 4,000. So, ayan na po siya. Ito na po. Then, the next one, marketing and administrative expense. 2,000. Kasi nga po, quantity processed, 2,000. Marketing and administrative expense per unit is 1 pesos. So, the total marketing and administrative expense is 2,000. Multiply lang po natin 2,000 times 1 pesos. So, the next one naman is operating profit 2,000. Kasi nga po, quantity processed 2,000, operating profit per unit 1 peso, 1 pesos. So, the total operating profit is 2,000 pesos. So, the total or the sum of this is 8,000. So, sales na 12,000 less 8,000, kaya yung share and joint cost ng byproduct Z is 4,000 pesos. So, for the second solution, we have the allocation of joint cost using market value method. This is to allocate joint cost of product X and Y. So, we have sales value, subsequent cost, realizable value, and share and joint cost. So, for product X, sales value niya is 160,000 pesos, supporting computation. Quantity processed, 8,000. Sales price per unit, 20 pesos. Multiply lang po natin to arrive with the total sales of product X na 160,000 pesos. For product Y naman, sales value is 250,000 pesos. Supporting computation, quantity process, 10,000. Sales price per unit na 25 pesos. So, minultiply lang again natin to arrive with the total sales of product Y na 250,000 pesos. Then, by product Z, sales value 12,000. Supporting computation, quantity process, 2,000. Sales price per unit, 6 pesos to arrive with the total sales of byproduct Z na 12,000. Then, second step is the subsequent cost or the further processing cost. So, for product X, 40,000. Supporting computation, quantity process, 8,000. Further processing cost per unit, 5 pesos. So, the total further processing cost, 40,000 pesos. For product Y naman, 70,000 pesos. Kasi nga, quantity process, 10,000. Further processing cost per unit, 7 pesos. To arrive with the total further processing cost na 70,000 pesos for product Y. Then, by product Z, subsequent cost, 4,000. Supporting computation, quantity process, 2,000. Multiply sa further processing cost per unit na 2 pesos. So, the further processing cost is 4,000. So, we have a total of subsequent cost na 114,000 pesos. By the way, sa sales value niya, ang total is 422,000. So, the third step is the realizable value. The formula, sales value less or subtracted sa subsequent cost. So, for product X, sales value is 160,000 pesos less subsequent cost na 40,000, kaya realizable value of product X is 120,000 pesos. For product Y naman, sales value is 250,000 pesos less sa subsequent cost na 70,000, kaya yung realizable value of product Y is 180,000 pesos. For byproduct Z naman, sales value 12,000 less sa subsequent cost na 4,000 to arrive with the realizable value of byproduct Z na 8,000. So, the total realizable value or yung sum nito is 308,000 pesos. Then, the last step is share and join cost. The formula to get the share and join cost is realizable value of each product over or divided by the total realizable value. Then, multiply sa joint cost. For product X, we have 79,481. Supporting computation, we have 120,000 na realizable value over 308,000 na total realizable value multiply sa joint cost na 204,000 to arrive with the joint cost of product X na 79,481. So, yun yung share niya sa joint cost. For product Y naman, product Y, share and joint cost, 119,221. Supporting computation, product Y, 180,000 na realizable value over 308,000 na total realizable value, then multiply sa joint cost na 204,000 to arrive with the share and joint cost na 119,221. Then the next, by product Z, share and joint cost, 5,298. Supporting computation, 8,000 na realizable value over 308,000 na total realizable value multiply sa joint cost na 204,000 to arrive with the share and joint cost of byproduct Z na 5,298. So, the sum or the total share and joint cost of the three product is 224,000. Same sa sinabi sa problem na joint cost na 224,000 yung given kanina. So, that's it po. Thank you.